morning, all. Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update for Tuesday, the 23rd of November, 2021. We're about 8:35 a.m. Central Time, and we've got a sea of red in the stock indices. Now, they were up earlier. The market has looked today at President Biden releasing the strategic oil reserve up to 50 million barrels in total, but it'll be drabbled out in different ways and replaced between 2022 and 2024 from what I am seeing. Gold down yesterday $45, extending that to about a $60 break, but right into the 100-day moving average of closes, especially on the weekly charts where I think the market is trying to find its support. Dollar down a little bit in a mixed currency picture. You can see that with the president announcing the release of the strategic reserves, and he's hoping that we see the UK, India, South Korea, China all join in with us. Well, the market is reversing course. Now, let me tell you what I'm seeing. I'm seeing a market that's become schizophrenic. Yesterday, we saw the nomination of Fed Chair Biden. He is not going to change his colors now that he's got another term. If anything, he sets in. Ms. Brainerd, who is a dove, she sets in. They both think at this point that inflation is transitory. I am still in that camp as well. That doesn't mean I'm right. Obviously, the market thinks we're not right. But if you think interest rate policies are going to change dramatically, they could if the economic data comes out hot. Now, I would not be surprised that we get economic data that is hot coming out the rest of today. Example, Red Book sales came out another 15% increase. It's been every week for I don't know how long with 15% increases. We get the November manufacturing and service sector PMIs at now, about 8:45 in just a few minutes. The Richmond Fed manufacturing index comes out. As I said, President Biden's making 50 million barrels available. And now OPEC's got to meet. And OPEC is going to meet December 2nd to decide what to do with their oil. They've got to look at this, and they could either say, hey, this is very serious, and we're going to say to ourselves, why do we have to keep cutting oil? They're making it available. In other words, why do they have to keep producing oil is what I wanted to say. That would be a logical reaction to it. Then I look at energy prices in the nat gas, which fell yesterday 25 cents. Today it's up 15. Here's what I think's going on. I think the market's looking for excuses to make a change, shift with the Fed, FOMC, shift with the holiday pattern, and the mindset now has to go, is inflation going to be hot? Is Biden, now that we know he will be confirmed, Ms. Brainerd will be confirmed, there's no reason that won't be, is that going to change Fed policy? I think the traders are all digesting that and trying to figure out just what the heck this all means. And I'll tell you, you come into holidays like this, you get this crazy action, and take a look. Since we're on there, we're going green in the indices right in front of you. You know, sometimes you just throw your hands up and you say, okay, the market's got the better of me for a couple of pattern days, and that's what I think's going on. I wrote a special, actually I didn't write, I recorded my special metals report. Now, instead of putting in the seasonal charts this week and the price counts, I went a different route. I gave you the weekly charts on gold. I gave you the dailies, and I build them and do the whole analysis as to where I think they're at short and longer term. Then I'm going to give you GDL and GLD, gold GLD, and then GDX for the spider traders. I build those charts. Folks, I haven't changed my opinion. I think that the market had to come down to some key numbers. I think they did. I'm already getting people telling me we're going back to the 1680 level, and I see what they're talking about on the chart. And I'm getting others that are saying, no, we're going to hang around this 1800 level for a bit, build the base, and try to go higher as the inflation scenario unfolds. I understand both arguments, but that's why I make them in my special report. It's free for you to utilize. How do you get to it? Go to our website, www IraEpstein.com. Go under the word research. Just click on that. You'll see the report. It's only up 3 business days. So as of, it could be today or tomorrow, because I put it up on Sunday. It's probably tomorrow will be the last day you'll have a chance to see it. I'm Ira Epstein. You have a good day, and I will talk to you all this afternoon with our market wrap-up.